Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add fade in and fade out effects in Audacity in 2026. Fades are useful for creating smooth beginnings and endings instead of having audio start or stop suddenly. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and import the audio you want to edit. Look at the waveform and decide where you want the audio to gradually become louder or quieter. For a fade in, select the beginning portion of your audio. The selected section should include the amount of time over which you want the sound to gradually increase. Once the section is selected, open the Effects menu and choose the Fade in option. Audacity will automatically create a smooth increase in volume across your selection. Play the beginning of the track and listen to the transition. If the fade feels too short or too long, undo it and select a different amount of audio before applying the effect again. Now, for a fade out, select the ending portion of the track. Choose the fade out effect, and Audacity will gradually reduce the volume toward the end of your selection. Fade outs are especially useful for music, podcasts, voiceovers, and other recordings where you want the ending to feel more natural. You can also use fades when joining separate clips. A short fade can sometimes make a transition less noticeable and reduce the chance of sudden clicks. Try not to make fades longer than necessary unless you want a very gradual transition. The right length depends on the type of audio and the effect you're trying to create. After applying your fades, listen from the beginning to the end. Make sure the audio starts smoothly and finishes exactly where you want it to. If everything sounds good, save your project and export the final recording. And that's how to add fade in and fade out effects in Audacity. Select the right sections, apply the appropriate fade, preview the result, and adjust the timing until it sounds natural. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next